Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online EVS class, and from last Monday we have started with our revision work. Now this revision work is very important for you all children, because in this revision we are all doing the whole course which we have done for our class 2. Okay, and those children who have done all the work from before only, like those who have attended all the classes, all the videos they have seen, and all the written work they have done in their notebooks, then you all can just go through the videos and you can just tick mark in your notebooks only the questions and the exercises which I am giving you, and you can just learn from your notebooks only. Okay, and mainly this revision is for those children who have not attended any class from before, from starting. So these revision work you all have to write in your revision notebooks. Okay, you have to make a separate revision notebook and you have to write it. Okay, so children, make sure that you complete all your work very nicely and very just understand all the videos very carefully, because this will help you in your final examinations. Okay, so children, as you all know that we have completed with yesterday we have completed our third chapter, that was my neighborhood. So now I hope you all will start with this new chapter which I am going to do. So starting with this video, children, please concentrate on it and listen to it very carefully. Okay, as you all know that first of all you have to write down the date, which is 15/1/2021. then you have to give the heading EVS revision 3.1, because this is revision number 3 and part 1, so 3.1. then chapter number 4, time to celebrate. Okay, now in this exercise, first exercise, here I have given you some names of festivals, and you have to give 2 examples of each festival. Is that clear? So starting with our exercise, give 2 examples of the following. Okay, so here I have given you 4 names of festivals. You have to give 2 examples of each. Is that clear? So the first festival is religious festival. Now what are religious festivals, children? Which have some rituals, which have some story behind them, and we celebrate it. Okay, so the 2 examples of religious festivals are Diwali and Holi. Okay, they are in our religion. Okay, we celebrate in our religion. So those festivals are known as religious festivals. So first is Diwali, D-I-W-A-L-I, Diwali, and second is Holi, H-O-L-I, Holi. Now coming to the second festival, that is Harvest Festival. Okay, now what is Harvest Festival, children? First one is Pongal, P-O-N-G-A-L, Pongal, and second is Onam, O-N-A-M, Onam. Now coming to the third, national festivals. Now what are national festivals, children? Those festivals which we celebrate all over our nation. Okay, those which we celebrate all. So children, national festivals which we celebrate all over the nation. So the examples, 2 examples of national festivals are Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, Republic Day, which is celebrated every year on 26th January. Okay, which we will be celebrating in the next week, and Gandhi Jayanti, which is always celebrated every year on 2nd of October. Is that clear? Now coming to the last festival, annual festival. Now what are annual festivals, children? Which come annually, means every year they come. Okay, so first one is Raksha Bandhan, R-A-K-S-H-A-B-A-N-D-H-A-N, Raksha Bandhan, and second one is Janmashtami, J-A-N-M-A-S-H-T-A-M-I, Janmashtami. Now Raksha Bandhan is celebrated as the it is a festival of brothers and sisters. Okay, sisters tie a rakhi on the brother's wrist. Okay, and Janmashtami is celebrated as the birthday of Lord Krishna. Okay, so you all know that. Once again I am repeating, children. I hope you all have understood. Once again I am repeating, so listen to it very carefully. First one is religious festival. 2 examples are Diwali and Holi. Second is harvest festivals. 2 examples are Pongal and Onam. Third is national festivals. 2 examples are Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Fourth one is annual festivals. Two examples are Raksha Bandhan and Janmashtami. So I hope children you all have understood this. Now moving towards the next exercise, that is on fill in the blanks. Okay. Now children, moving towards the next exercise, that is fill in the blanks. Okay. B part is fill in the blanks. There are only 4 fill in the blanks in this revision part. So the first one is, listen to it very carefully children. First one, Diwali is the festival of dash. Diwali festival किस चीज का है? Lights का. Okay, we all decorate our houses with lights. So the answer is Diwali is the festival of lights. So we will write Lights, lights. Okay. Second is the birthday of dash is known as Christmas. Now you all know why do we celebrate Christmas? Because it is the birthday of Jesus Christ. So we will write the answer Jesus, Jesus, Christ, Christ, Jesus Christ. Is that clear? Now the third sentence, we celebrate Independence Day on dash. Now children, you all know when Independence Day is celebrated every year. It is celebrated on 15th of August. Okay. And don't get confused with Republic Day and Independence Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th of January every year and Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August every year. Is that clear children? So here we have asked you to when we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. Okay. Now, coming to the last sentence, Mahatma Gandhi is known as the dash of nation. Now, Mahatma Gandhi को nation का क्या बुलाया जाता था? Father. 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 Is that clear to you all? Mahatma Gandhi is known as the father of nation. Once again children, I am repeating these 4 fill in the blanks. Listen to it carefully. Diwali is the festival of lights, Lights, lights. Birthday of Jesus Christ is known as Christmas, Jesus, Jesus, Christ, Jesus Christ. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August, AUGUST August, you all know that. And the last one is Mahatma Gandhi is known as the father of nation, FATHER, father. Now children, I hope you all have understood these 2 exercises of revision 3.1. Now I hope you will all complete this revision work in your revision notebooks, which you have made separate revision notebooks, and I hope you will complete it by today itself and you will start learning also, because I want you all to revise it thoroughly so that it will help you in your final examinations. Is that clear children? So please make sure that you complete all your work on time and also follow all the instructions which your teachers are giving you, which I am giving you for my subjects. Is that clear children? So till my next video, in my next video I will be giving you revision 3.2 of the same chapter. So please make sure you complete this work by today itself. Okay. So till my next video children, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.